Welcome back to Summarize Science. Have you ever wondered how computers turn flat 2D photos into a fully navigable 3D world? Normally, this requires hundreds of perfectly timed photos and hours of computer processing. Most existing methods struggle with in-the-wild photos because the lighting changes and people often get in the way. The researchers point out that standard models often fail when they only have a few sparse views to work with. To solve this, the researchers developed a new system called GenWildSplat. This new approach can take as few as 2 to 6 unposed photos and reconstruct a scene in just 3 seconds. The genius here is that it doesn't need to learn each new scene from scratch. Instead, it uses a feed-forward model that has already learned the basic rules of geometry and lighting. Looking at the architecture, the system uses a geometry transformer to understand the depth and camera positions. It creates something called 3D Gaussians, which are essentially fuzzy 3D points that represent the objects in the world. One of the biggest challenges in outdoor photography is the changing sun and weather conditions. To solve this, an appearance adapter can actually change the lighting of the 3D model to match any target image. This means the system can take a daytime photo and accurately predict what the scene would look like at sunset. The researchers also taught the system to deal with transient objects like tourists and moving cars. By using a pre-trained segmentation network, the AI can identify things that shouldn't be part of the permanent 3D model. It creates a digital mask to filter these distractions out, leaving a clean reconstruction of the building or landmark. The researchers used a curriculum learning process to train the AI over several stages. First, it learned on simple scenes with lighting variations, then gradually moved to complex real-world data. When compared to older methods on challenging datasets, the results are much clearer and more consistent. Older systems often produced geometric spikes or blurred skies when they didn't have enough data to work with. In these side-by-side comparisons, you can see how GenWildSplat maintains high quality even with very sparse views. It yields photorealistic results that look like the original scene from any angle. Quantitative tests on benchmarks like megascenes show that it significantly outperforms other state-of-the-art models. By every metric, the system provides more accurate shapes and better image quality. To recap, this technology allows for instant 3D reconstruction from just a few random snapshots. It effectively handles varying lighting and automatically cleans up crowded scenes by removing moving people. This marks a massive jump in speed, moving the process from hours of work down to just a few seconds. While there are still limits, like capturing very distant views, the progress is undeniable. In the future, this could make creating digital twins of cities or historical sites incredibly easy for anyone with a smartphone. For the future, this could revolutionize augmented reality, digital tourism, and even the way we navigate our world. We are moving toward a time where a few photos are enough to preserve any place in 3D forever. Thanks for watching Summarize Science, and don't forget to check the links for more info.